Welcome to Computer Basics, Episode 9, Introduction to PowerPoint. In this episode, we'll go over what PowerPoint is, how to open PowerPoint, how to create a blank presentation, how to navigate PowerPoint, and how to save and exit. What is PowerPoint? It's a slideshow program included in the Microsoft Office suite. It's like using a digital blackboard or whiteboard. If you own the Microsoft Office suite, then you likely already own PowerPoint. What can you do with it? You can use it for business reports, to pitch ideas or train employees. For school, you can create lectures or coursework. And for personal use, you can use it to create a photo album slideshow. You can create charts, graphs, and animations in ways that are easy to read and understand. You can also create handouts to go along with your presentations. Are there other ways that you use PowerPoint? Let me know in the comment section below, or send me an email. Opening PowerPoint. To open PowerPoint, go to the Start menu. You may already see the application. If not, click where it says Type here to search and type PowerPoint. It's one word. Click the application once to open it. Creating a blank presentation. When you first click PowerPoint from the Start menu, you have the option of opening a file that you previously created or starting from scratch. Since this is an introduction, click Blank Presentation under the New heading. Navigating PowerPoint. The ribbon contains the tabs and commands at the top of the screen. If you watched the Introduction to Microsoft Word or Excel, we went over this in more detail there. This area is essentially the control center. By clicking the different tabs, the commands or options available will change. The File function is a bit different from the other tabs because it offers behind-the-scenes options rather than changes directly to your PowerPoint presentation. It includes options like creating a new presentation, opening a previous presentation, saving, closing, and more. To exit the File tab, click the tab again to return to your presentation. The Home tab offers a range of commands like copying and pasting, adding new slides, changing the layout of the slides, and then making changes to your font or alignment, and so much more. Insert is a quick way to add text, graphics, forms, and other visuals to your presentation. The Workspace is made up of the slide editor, outlined in red on the screen, the slide thumbnail, outlined in green on the screen, and design ideas in blue. Slide editor is where you view and edit each individual slide in your presentation. Slide thumbnail is where you can view a small preview of each of the slides included in your presentation. You can click any of the thumbnails to show the slide in the slide editor portion of the Workspace. Design ideas are templates you can use for your presentation or for inspiration. They will change as you add content. You can also close this portion of the display by clicking the X button in the top right-hand corner of the Design Idea box. Saving your PowerPoint. To save your PowerPoint presentation, click File, then Save. Click Browse to choose where to save your file. In this example, I'm saving my presentation to my desktop. Next to File Name, enter the name of your presentation so you can quickly locate the file when you want to work on it again. Click Save. Exiting PowerPoint. To exit PowerPoint, click File, then Close. Or click the X in the top right-hand corner of the screen. If you haven't already saved your document, you will be prompted to do so before closing your presentation. That's all for this episode of Computer Basics. If you'd like to learn more, if you have questions about this video or suggestions for future videos, please reach out. We would love to hear from you. Until next time, wishing you well.